Hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson with MH Alien Tutors, where learning is out of this world. Today, we will learn how to find the square root of numbers that are not perfect squares step by step. Let's make math fun, shall we? So what is a square root? Imagine you have a number like 9 and you ask yourself, what number times itself equals 9? The answer is 3. That's the square root. Easy, right? But what if we have a number like 8 or 20? These are not perfect squares. A perfect square is a number like 4, 9, 16, or 25. Numbers that have whole number square roots. Today, we'll learn how to estimate square roots for these non-perfect squares. Are you ready? Here's a fun fact. The idea of square roots was invented over 4,000 years ago by the Babylonians. They didn't even have calculators. Now let's solve this step by step. First, think of the two perfect squares your number is between. For example, if we want the square root of 8, we know it's between 4 and 9. Why? Because 2 squared is 4 and 3 squared is 9. Step 2, take a guess. Start by choosing a number between 2 and 3. Try 2.5. Step 3, multiply 2.5 by itself. What do we get? 6.25. 25 is too low. Let's try 2.8 next. Multiply that. 784. We're getting closer. Do you see the pattern? Let's take a quick break. 90% of our you viewers don't subscribe our channel or like the video. If you're enjoying this lesson, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to MH Alien Tutors for more cool and easy to understand math lessons. Now moving to our main topic, example 1. What will be the square root of non-perfect square like 5y? It will be 2.25. How did we get this answer? First, we will partition or separate root of 5 into 4 plus 1. As we know, root of 4 is 2 and write 1 as it is with denominator of 1 as double the previous number from 2 to 4. 1 divided by 4 becomes 0.25. Adding 2 and 0.2, 5, we will get square root of 5 as 2.25. Example 2. What will be the square root of non-perfect square like 29? It will be 5.4. How did we get this answer? First, we will partition or separate root of 29 into 25 plus 4. As we know, root of 25 is 5 and leave 4 as it is. Now write denominator of 4 as double of the previous number from 5 to 10. 4 divided by 10 becomes 0.4. Adding 5 and 0.4, we will get square root of 29 as 5.4. Let's try one more together. Example number 3. What will be the square root of non-perfect square number like 88? It will be 9.38. How? First, we will partition or separate square root of 88 into square root of 81 plus square root of remaining 7 of 1. Then we know that square root of 81 is equal to 9 while leave 7 as it is. In next step, divide 7 by doubling the previous number from 9 to 18. So 7 divided by 18 becomes 0.38. In last step, adding 9 and 0.38, we get the square root of 88. Here's a math joke for you. Why was the square root so stressed out? Because it couldn't simplify its life. You've done amazing today. Now you can estimate square roots like a pro. Just remember, find the closest perfect squares, divide the remaining square by the double of previous closest square, and add the values. Refine it until you're close. Enough! Don't forget to subscribe to MH Alien Tutors for more awesome math hacks. See you next time. And remember, math is not scary. It's just misunderstood.